Welcome to my channel. My name is Sabrinda, and if you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. But today I'm going to be showing you how to get that fake acrylic nail under $10. Okay, so for the stuff that you're going to be needing is a nail glue, and I got the Kiss Mega Hold pink nail glue. So for the nails, I actually purchased it off of Amazon, and it was $7.99, and it's the Nail Art Mark McCart. So for the pinky, I took the size number 8, and of course you would just be needing a nail polish towards the end. And I took the Claire's Nude Gel. So I put the glue behind of the nail, and I just put it on my nail, and I pressed really hard for a couple of seconds. So for the next finger, I took the size 6. For the middle finger, I took the size number 4. And then for the next finger, I took the size number 6 again. So it has 10 different sizes. So we all don't have the same shape of nail or the same size of nail. So I like that it comes with 10 different sizes. And like the number 6 fit me on 2 fingers. So yeah. So for the thumb, I did take number 5. So the nail polish I'm taking is by Claire's, and it's Nude Gel. I'm not a professional painting my nails, so please don't judge. But I did what I can, you know. I really like this because it's super easy to like put on, and it's super easy to take off. So like one day I could wear the nail polish pink, and then the next day I could wear, you know, I could just switch it up every time. So I really like this, and it's super easy. It took me less than 15 minutes. So I really like this. And it was so affordable. So I just basically wasted like $9. I did bought the thing from Amazon, and the nail polish I already had, and the glue I had to purchase it off of like Dollar General. They sell it everywhere. They sell it at Dollar General, Walmart, Target. But I really like this because it's super affordable. It's fast. It's easy. Okay, so that's all for this video. Make sure you hit that like button and make sure you subscribe.